This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Tom Waters and less than bedroom greater than Gloria Waters. Attention investors, excellent rehab opportunity. 2 unfinished concrete buildings comprised of 8 townhouses on 0.65 acres. Well-designed 2-story floor plans with interior utility rooms are of 3-1 and 2-1 design. Located in the heart of Arcadia and steps to Lake Katherine Park. City of Arcadia is repaving and repairing sidewalks on Jordan and Baldwin Avenue. Also available adjacent parcel MLS A4463625. Combine both parcels for a total of 24 units. For more information, review the details below.